Hi, I am Lemon and in this video I'll show you how to add arrows, text boxes and other shapes directly to the Excel chart so they stay attached even when you move or copy the chart. Let's get started. Have you ever added an arrow or a text box to your Excel chart only to move the chart later and realize the shape stayed behind on the worksheet? It can be really frustrating, but the fix is much easier than you might think. First, let's see what usually goes wrong. Go to the Insert tab, click Shapes and choose an arrow. Now draw the arrow on top of your chart. At first, it looks like it's attached to the chart. But if you move or copy the chart, you will notice the arrow stays on the worksheet instead of moving with it. That's because the arrow was added to the worksheet, not the chart itself. Let's undo that and draw it the right way. Before inserting any shape, click once on the chart so the entire chart is selected. You will know it's selected when the chart is highlighted. Now go back to the Insert tab or the Shape Format tab. Click Shapes and choose the same arrow again. Draw the arrow on the chart. This time, the arrow becomes part of the chart. If you move or copy the chart now, the arrow moves together with it. The exact same rule applies to text boxes. If you insert a text box without selecting the chart first, it stays on the worksheet. So undo that. Click the chart first, then go to the Insert tab, choose text box and click inside the chart to add your comment. Now the text box is embedded in the chart and will move with it whenever you move or copy the chart. You can use the same method for arrows, callouts, rectangles, comments and most other shapes you want to add to your charts. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to add arrows and text boxes directly to the Excel chart so they stay attached when you move or copy it. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.